All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. We'll be checking out P&S Double Black Running Dual Collection Inspiration Radiance Coating Maintenance Wash. I have a Jeep Wrangler here that's got a ceramic coating on it. This is supposed to be a product, if you have a ceramic coated car, to clean your coating. It's supposed to add some gloss, but like I said, it's supposed to clean your coating. It says it was formulated perfect partner pair with the Inspiration family coatings. Coatings in general, just well-maintained paint. It helps remove dirt and grime from paint without scratching and creates an incredible wash experience. Upon rinsing a vehicle, a coat of gloss and protection is left behind, boosting the existing coating and start paint protection. So I guess it's kind of a sort of a wash and wax. I don't know. It kind of sounds like that Adams graphene shampoo, but I'm not certain. Adams supposedly has some degreasers, and I'm not seeing anything about that. But we're going to give it a try. The instructions on this say 6 ounces of this per gallon of water. That is crazy. So I did it. You can see I used a chunk of the bottle. This is what 6 ounces of the Radiance looks like in roughly 4 gallons of water. So let's see what kind of foam it makes up here. So nothing crazy. But we have a dirty Jeep. We'll give it a try, see how we like it. I've got some in my foam gun because my pressure washer's out of whack. So I put some in the foam gun. We'll try it and see how it works with the foam gun. But we'll get started in a sec. Okay, so we're ready to go. I put 2 ounces of the shampoo in this. And do the foam, rinse, refoam again method, like some people talk about how it works with foam guns. But so it's got decent foaminess. So this is supposed to be more or less a wash and wax product. Does seem to foam better than a lot of them that are out there. So let's try the other side. And guys, you can probably see the coating still on there after the winter because it's repelling the soap. Okay, so we'll rinse it off and we'll start the wash process. I'll be back to show you what it looks and feels like there. Okay, so now we're going to do the hand wash part. So you can see it gets pretty foamy. So one thing that's nice about this stuff is it's if it is a wash wax product, it is not runny like most of them seem to be. It does foam up more than most of them seem to. So I'd say it's above average on that one. But it goes on pretty slick. Apparently this is a pH neutral product because the instructions say to wash the whole vehicle and then rinse off. So I always like it when soaps are like that because it makes it easier to wash and get more territory covered without having to stop and dry and worry about water spots and all that stuff. So far it goes on pretty easy. Like I say, it seems to be foamier than typical. So I noticed my beading on the sides is when I was doing the rinse off there, the beadings on the sides isn't quite as good as it used to be, but this coating's been on here for a while. Interesting to see if this stuff helps to revive it some, which is, I think, part of the idea behind it. So, okay, so come back, work on some more and come back again. All right, guys, now we got done washing. Now we're going to give it a rinse and see how much beading we get. See, the hood has come back online. And what I'm curious about is the beading on the sides because it's starting to lose some of it. And would you look at that? It was like sheeting. I don't know if you guys could see it in the lighting. for the sheeting. Now it's back to beating. It's still not beating as fast as it used to. It's getting a little tired, but it is more water repellent since washing with this. So points for that. So we'll finish rinsing it off here, dry it off, and we'll give a first impression. All right, guys, we now have a clean Jeep. So the P&S Double Black Radiance Oil Collection Inspiration Radiance Coating Maintenance Wash. P&S products have long names. So as a wash for a coated vehicle, it did pretty good. It foamed up better than what I was expecting. It seemed to bring back some of the hydrophobicity of this coating that I've had on for a while. So I like that part. And the only thing I did not like is the 6 ounces per gallon. So this is from one wash. I start out with a full bottle. So I put 2 ounces in my foam gun, and then I did 24 ounces in the bucket. You know, I did 4 gallons of water, 6 ounces per gallon. So this is not enough to wash a vehicle a second time, at least going full strength. Maybe a light wash. I don't know. I might have to play with this one some more. But does it do what they said? Yes. However, I would only buy this again if I bought it in bigger quantities, because it's always cheaper to buy the gallon and 1 quart, which is 32 ounces. This is the smallest container this comes in, and rightfully so, because of the quantity you have to use to make it work. So it worked. I didn't show it in the foam gun, but it did come out of the foam gun pretty nice. So just like most P&S products, it works well. It works as advertised. I've yet to find a P&S product I did not like. So I give you the pros and cons. You decide if you want to buy it, but it's a good one, but buy a bigger bottle next time. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Like and subscribe if you like these kind of videos. Thank you.